Or youths now when they come up 24-year-old, they don't they involve for kidnapping, so they go create gang. They go deceive the friends, go enter for kidnap zone, and they go come they collect ransom 5,300,000 naira. But they collect them in dollars. So now Anambra State Police Command, they don't already bab 124-year-old boy. It's N5.3. Their eye don't enter inside young couples, man and woman. We go plan. The girl go get belly. The man go come from nowhere, say na him be husband. Before you know what they happen, they don't say pikin with them born. Them now don't chook mouth say this thing need to stop for inside the state. And then we go to talk to the police talk person for inside Anambra State.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
For the station we sabi 89.9 Yanga FM. And me be the person where they go find all these criminals them. You know me now. My name is Nanajite Atirene, and of course I just say make I just visit them punk you. Make I tell them how far don't waka with this waka where they waka. You don't say my leg no they stay one place.
We will know.
And it be like say I get too much fuel for van.
No worry. Worry. We dey see the pray for you. The God way they put fuel inside your leg. You no go stuff it.
Amen.
Proceed, my sister.
So today we waka enter inside Anambra State, where we say two things they happen for there.
Okay.
Where we need to, sensitize the youths about. Now, first, na kidnapping. Small or youths now when they come up 24-year-old, they don't they involve for kidnapping, so they go create gang. Where go they kidnap people even as deep as their own friends. They go deceive the friends, go enter for kidnap zone, and they go come they collect ransom. Now Anambra State Police Command, they don't already bab 124-year-old boy wey be Muanaenye Chekwube Victor. See the Victor wey go dey bear for this kind of badiment wey they do. They say they actually catch this guy on the number 26th day for June this year, where they come finally parade them for inside police command, where they talk say he own be say even plan with him friend, say they go carry him friend, come out, and before you know what they happen, he don't go give them to in criminal gang, and he collect ransom of 5 million naira. 5 million, mark all the exact word, 5,300,000 naira. But they collect them in dollars. So if you convert the dollar, it actually amounts to 5,300,000. That's 5.3 million naira. This one, a 24-year-old boy will do this kind of badiment. Still for inside the Anambra State, N5.3, their eye don't enter inside young couples. When I say they are couples now, because this one are arranging couples, man and woman. We go plan. The girl go get belly. The man go come from nowhere, say na him be husband. Before you know what they happen, they don't say pikin with them born. So now organized crime now they do. So now N5.3 for there will be national prohibition against persons in trafficking, where they do trafficking. Them now don't chook mouth say this thing need to stop for inside the state. Well, this is my story for today. This is where I waka enter, and we go to talk to the police talk person for inside Anambra State in the person of Tochukwu Ikenga. We hope to get him virtually by the time where we go this break. Come back, no go anywhere. Oh yes, so you don't hear say we don't dey waka again, and once you hear that sound, say na 899 patrol waka waka woman dey your airwaves. Don't forget say you sef be part of the conversation. How the matter take touch you? If you like to respond, the number to send your text messages and WhatsApp messages to na 09048213013. I call the number again 09048213013. Yes, today we enter inside Anambra State, where police now don't catch 124-year-old boy, Victor, na be in name, and them talk say wetin this boy they do be say they belong to gang of criminals where their own modus operandis na kidnapping and collecting of ransom. Imagine a 24-year-old boy
arranging friends
where just they start life. That crime it can't chook in hand put. And the talk say how this boy carry people go in criminal syndicates. Now even one of his friend you know, when go see, he say they escort am, he can't lure that in friend now to another friend. From there, before you know wetin dey happen, he don't land for the criminal gang hand, and they collect ransom in dollars, wey sum up to 5.3 million naira. We tell you, say we go talk to police talk person for inside Anambra State, SP Tochukwu Ikenga, in the on top of virtual with us now, making let us know how far with this particular crime. Welcome to the program, sir. Good morning. Well, make we, because of time, you know, say we not to get time, make we just sharply enter inside this 24-year-old boy. When we first hear this story, 24-year-old boy, you know, it be like, why be say this guy we just they start in life, they involve for this kind criminal activities, waiting will be the, you know, reason behind them. But you know, say now owner just to catch people where they commit crime, prosecute them and promote them from the society. But make we hear from you about the way this 24-year-old boy say they carry out this operation.
Okay, thank you once more again. Before I comment on that, let me say that this incident is a pure example of the level of moral decay in our society, and the high rate of get-rich-quick syndrome is very, very high, in the sense that young persons are now taking advantages of their friends in order to even use them to make money. This is a very, very worrisome situation, and it also goes back to the parent and guidance of our society to make sure that they create intentional relationship with their words and children, in order to guide them and make sure that they monitor what they are doing. And this will also help us to know when they are following bad gangs or maybe doing something that is criminal. The case of this young man.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead.
Okay, the case of this young man is a very disturbing situation. We have, let me first of all also commend India Anambra for coming up with information in terms of when they have issues concerning security, unlike what we have been experiencing before. I call a conspiracy of silence, where people will face maybe a security situation or security concern. They will tend to maybe not to share with the security agencies. But right now, there is a lot of improvement in terms of sharing or letting us know what they are passing through. And this brought about this recent feats and achievements, what the command also exposed this criminal gang. This young man, this case of a 24 years old man, his name is Chekwube Victor, 24 years old. What he did is that he told his friend to escort him to somewhere, not knowing that Chekwube belongs to a very high-profile kidnapping gang in Uli. Uli is in Ihiala. And the impression people have about this particular area is that there is a lot of high rate of kidnapping and people that are agitating for non-state actors, agitating for whatever thing they are pulling for, and they people hide under these guys to commit every crime. But it's not like that. Ihala is very, very peaceful. Uli is very, very peaceful. That's why we have to expose this young man, where he uses his friends to kidnap other of his friend. He told this young victim, their age is also related, that he wants him to escort him to one of his friends' place, and they will just have fun and also interact with the guy. He said, okay, no problem. The innocent guy joined him, and on getting to the before they got to where they were going, 4 armed men on bike came and accosted them and made away with both of them. Both of them are in custody, innocently thinking that 2 of them are also victim of kidnapping, and they also extended a call to the parents of the same guy without calling the other guy's relative, so that they can get money from them. And the money they demanded is in dollars. They said that they needed the naira. They have to use that naira to buy dollars, because
like how much be the dollar itself?
equivalent of 5,300,000 naira. That's the equivalent. If you check the equivalent, I don't really have it off heart, but it's the equivalent of that naira. That's what the parents bought in dollars and dropped it at a particular strategic place. So after that incident, the parents of the guy that paid and also the parents of the person that planned the kidnapping, we are so worried, and they say, okay, let's just go to the police station and incident this matter so that we can have they can know about this resurgence of kidnapping in Ihiala.
Now,
so police
because of time, we could just quickly, shorten so that we can move on to the other issue. This boy, apart from the syndicates, get to catch them.
Yes, we are already on them. We have their conversations, and I believe before the end of this week, we can be able to apprehend all of them and close down that, also cut down that criminal and kidnapping network in Inuли.
How about the victim? In they well?
Yes, he is well. They didn't touch them. They just spent like 3 or 4 days there before they were released after the parents paid that money.
Now, we could move on into the latest trend where the National Agency for Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons they talk about now, as they don't raise alarm over disturbing rise of cases of baby trafficking. For instance, Anambra, they say now remote areas now this one they happen, and the way these people they operate, they say young boy and girl will come together to born Peking where them go sell. I'd like to hear your thoughts on how the police command, for instance, Anambra State, they tackle this particular matter. I know say the commander for NAPTIP there, Abidin Judith Chuku, don't talk, say that they do sensitization, but they're not going to do this one alone. Basically, they're going to need the help of the police command for inside the state. Talk to us about what they do to curb this particular trend of crime.
Okay, although I don't have the statistics of the.
All right, so fortunately, there we know they hear SP to Chuku Ikenga. Well, because of time, I could just move on quickly so that we go fit, wrap up conversations with time there. Make we hear again what I did with us. Well, you did with us, 090-48213013 be the number to chook your mouth, put inside this matter. How you take Siam. Women, young girls now, they collaborate with young boys to born Peking and to sell this the children, the babies them for money. Like the police talk person don't talk, say now get rich quick. Now they lead to all these kind of criminal activities. Also, we tell you about the 24-year-old boy way involved for kidnapping of your own friend and collect a ransom of 5.3 million naira. But now $9 they actually go use to collect this money. I mean, Punky, what do you think?
That would be approximately about $3,300 plus, so it not be small money, but $3,000. But the fact way that appear me a 24-year-old boy trouble there in paradise for there's trouble in paradise. Because at the age of 24, I see they carry my short knicker and my boot, they run around to where I go flavor. And there is a million hacker. This is one of the reasons why we're telling our security agencies we have to sit off. We have to sit off. There's a lot of work to be done.
All right, now I go take a back break because of time. I could just waka come out. Thank you now so much for listening ears. At least we don't learn 1 or 2 lessons from here. You will be young girl, young boy. Make you know what they do with yourself to avoid criminalities. This will happen for Anambra State. Not me saying nothing happen for inside Lagos State where we day. Young boys them calm down. This money where would they find? It go finally touch your hand, but you need to find them legally. All right. Make our come out. My name is Nanachite Atirene. Thank you now for listening.
Full BB 89.9 Yanga FM.